The Realme GT Neo 5 is set to launch in the Chinese market soon. But prior to its official announcement, the company's upcoming smartphone was spotted on the Geekbench listing, which reveals some of its key specifications. Looking at the online listing, we can see that the new handset will feature the RMX 3708 model number. The popular platform also revealed the synthetic benchmark performance of the device along with some of its notable specifications. The device managed to score 1279 points in its single-core scores, and 3,902 points in its multi-core scores. It managed to achieve this score thanks to its last-gen flagship chipset, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. However, this variant is expected to be an underclocked version of the chipset since it has a 3.0 GHz peak frequency. This is the same processor that powers the Oppo Reno 9 Pro Plus and the upcoming OnePlus 11R/Ace 2. For those unaware, this chipset was made by Samsung on its 4nm process. The online database also revealed that there will also be at least one variant with 16 GB of RAM. But we can also expect an 8 GB and a 12 GB RAM variant as well. Apart from this, the listing reveals that the Realme GT Neo 5 will run on Android 13 OS-based Realme UI 4.0 out of the box. Unfortunately, this is all the information that was revealed regarding this handset model. Although, based on previous sightings on other certification websites, we know that the device will feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display that has a full HD+ resolution on the front. Meanwhile, the rear will feature a 50-megapixel primary shooter, paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and another 2-megapixel sensor. The device will also launch in two charging variants, which includes a 240W and a 150W fast charging versions.